It's a new month, so it's time to find out what is happening on Etsy, what is trending, what are those products that sell, little niches, or an idea of what's going on with customers just now. If this is your first time here, I use eRank to dig into the trends, to find out the high level trends, and then to see if we can figure out how to niche down to find something a little bit fun. So let us dig into this. As always, I also work for eRank, but opinions in this video are my own. So we're going to trends, monthly trends, and this gives us a rundown of what's trending what's trending on Etsy in the past month. These are the very top. So what we're seeing here is the very top keywords from the past month, what people have searched for the most. And the good news, because January was a little quiet for Valentine's Day. So a lot of Valentine's Day searches came up in February. Now, that's absolutely no good for us just now, but it does tell us people did search for these big. Valentine's Day used to be huge on Etsy, and thankfully it is again. So people are searching for them. So even if we see things like Mother's Day and Easter potentially might be a little bit slower to start with, fingers crossed they will get there and they will be good when they do. We can hope. But anyway, so I think definitely these first. Gift for him, likely partially a Valentine's gift for her, Valentine gift, Galentine gift. I think that's like the day before Valentine's. There's Galentine and Palentine, and yeah, it's whatever. But people are searching for it, or Etsy is putting a banner up and pushing us towards it. Either way, lots of people are clicking when they see it, so it's the same as searching. Valentine's gift for him. Wall art is number 6. So that is seeing a steady decline, but it's still, well, that's literally the top of the searches that's not a Valentine's Day search. And if you put them together, is it potential people who decorate their houses for holidays and things? Could they have a Valentine's type wall art? Could they have an Easter wall art? Could they have a Mother's Day wall art? It's possible. I also have spikes. Yeah, I was about to say, is that at the end of the summer when people are going back to uni and want to decorate their dorm room? So there's a lot you can do with wall art. Stickers is number 7th. Gift for her, probably a Valentine's one. So people were looking more for men than women this year. Interesting. Or, oh, excuse I. Or they weren't searching specifically for the words gift for her. Earrings and rings are currently hot, good to know, at 9 and 10. Furniture. Now, Jan over at the eRank blog spotted something here. We've been confused with furniture for a while. Why is it doing so well on Etsy? Because it's blooming heavy to ship. But quite a lot of it is because Etsy doesn't give us categories very easily. So it's things related to furniture, and there's quite a lot of interesting other things like decoupage or ways to DIY your furniture, or Barbie furniture, doll's house furniture, more crafty versions of furniture. So is it possible that things like reupholstering are going to be coming into fashion? I think so, especially if we're still teetering on the edges of recession, if we're not actually already there. Whether we're in a recession or not depends on how politicians feel on the day. Whether we're actually struggling depends on how our bank balances feel on the day. So, yeah. Necklace at number 12. T-shirt is up the ranks at number 13th. Home decor, jewelry's hot, so all the jewelry stuff are always hot on Etsy. Valentine's, again, good to know. We can put a pin in all these for next year, but just be aware, potentially the holiday, people are searching a little late for the holidays. Shirt, Pokemon, don't touch that. I always watch out for IP trademark type things. Number 19 is keychain, which is hot. Keychain has been in the top 20 quite a lot in the past year or two, so it's definitely worth looking at. Although I made some keychains and didn't sell a single one, but you're never guaranteed. And number 20 is just personalized gift. Interesting to see that one popping up here. Etsy is all for personalized, but it wasn't huge over Christmas when it usually is. I mean, look at last December, like not December, but the December past, 2023 for that matter, there was nearly 500,000 searches. Where's December this time? December this time, 80,000. So although Etsy push for things personalised, perhaps they're showing it in different ways, or people are searching for things in different ways. Can you filter for personalised? I should be able to answer that, but I don't shop on Etsy enough. But perhaps people aren't searching for the generic term personalised gift. They might be searching for the specific type of jewellery they want, and then narrowing it down to personalised stuff. I'm just saying jewellery as an example. But what shall we look at? I quite fancy out of the top 10, at the top 20, we usually dive in and see if we can. I show you how I niche down into these things, and we can see if we can find some bangers. So let's go with stickers, because stickers is fun. Anyone, if you're designing stuff, all sorts of ways to make stickers. So this is the eRank, the beta version. Is it just, maybe it's just out of beta, but the version of the keyword tool, which my PC doesn't like loading properly. Crazy as ever, but here we go. You have your data here for stickers. We know it's riding high. I don't know why the graphs haven't shown up yet. As I say, my computer is awful when I'm trying to record. But let's have a look. So if your graph didn't load, let eRank know if it's not your computer, but you do get to see the little search trend graph here. Now in this beta version, if you haven't seen it before, well, it's not the beta version, it's potentially the full version. I'm not sure, or I've got cookies on my computer. But there's a couple of cool things we can do here. Now, stickers, I am happy with the default match for stickers. You can go for like exact match, like terms, phrase match, things that contain just the word stickers. But I'm wanting all the keywords and all the tags that are anywhere around listings that are for stickers. And let's just see what comes up. But these generic keywords have far too big competition, so we can narrow it down with this little funnel here, this little filter. I like to filter down the competition, let's say less than 50,000, because not all of them are well optimized keywords, so you could potentially rank for things. Oh, interesting already. Before I even filter it further, we're just going to look. The first thing that comes up is bookish stickers. I am seeing bookish on everything. Book talk is big. People are reading and really getting into their authors. My friend Starla Moore, she has some deals. She has managed to get actual deals with authors, so it is possible, which means she can sell stuff based on the books that she's loving. So it's definitely, don't assume if you see a shop with stuff related to a book that they're breaking the law or something. They might have permission. So definitely the bookish niche is definitely up there. Akatar, it's a Court of Thorn and Roses. You can get licensing for these things. So if we have a look, bookish stickers is a year-long search. Now, yes, the competition is huge, but you niche. Stickers isn't a niche, it's a product. Bookish stickers is a niche, but if you then go, what type of books? Akatar, fantasy, reading stickers, you decide where you're going with your niche. So right away, we've seen some things here. Pokemon stickers, we ignore because what Pokemon's Nintendo, they sue. And yeah, you should never do things without without permission, and you ain't going to get permission. And then luggage stickers. But I want to look at what's trending right now. So what I just got sidetracked because I saw all the reading things. So if we click by the search trend, this filters by things that have under a 50,000 competition in the US. This filters by what's been searched for the most. I have no idea what Shadow the Hedgehog is. Well, yeah, this is probably something you can't touch. Sonic the Hedgehog. My brain was frying there. So is Shadow a version of Sonic? That's probably not something you can touch. Again, Supernatural. That is probably relating to the TV show. Yeah, relating to the TV show. So you can't touch that, but you can have supernatural things as in the supernatural rather than the TV show. And if people are really searching for this kind of thing, I'm not saying hit it because you'll hit that keyword and those people who are searching. I'm saying go for that kind of thing because people are interested in that kind of aesthetic. Nail art stickers. Whoo, now here's one I would not touch with a barge pole at the minute in time, just because it's blown up out of nowhere. If that is a niche that you looked at and said I can do that, you want to dig in more, click on that and look further into keyword research to find out if people are really searching for something slightly different than this, or keep an eye on this for a couple of months to see if it stays. Because if you open up a shop and list a load of nail art stickers and then next month it's back down to nobody searching for it, you've cost yourself a lot of money. I am guessing this is some kind of anime. Jeep stickers, nope, can't touch that. Y2K, absolutely can. That is interesting because 2020 they were talking about, oh, Y2K was going to be the big thing, but now it's 25, so it's the, good grief, I feel old. I am old, but it's the 25th anniversary of Y2K, so that kind of thing's still trending. Christian stickers, Christian things are popular, and the Bible's not trademarked. Just saying. And here we hit some more bookish things, furry stickers. Furry things are trending. If you can make type, this is going off from being stickers, but like costumes for live action role play, but furry, but all sorts of things are. It's a popular community if you know anything about it. Don't Google. Jackalope, a type of animal, is it? I don't know. Stickers for money manifestation. Okay, so we have got, again, spell type things, I think. So, not allowed on Etsy. Well, it's not allowed if they promise something. I suppose a sticker that says, I am manifesting loads of money. I don't think that's against Etsy rules. Don't know, check. Moth stickers are being popular. Hey, Silence of the Lambs going to make a comeback. Love that. Rubber duck, probably the shape you're thinking of is likely copyright. I don't know what that is. Face stickers, that's fun. Now, if the nail stickers whatever it was we just said, if that takes off, then absolutely I can see it's likely that makeup stickers, body decoration stickers could be a trend. Smut stickers, Lord of the Rings stickers, Taylor Swift don't touch, don't know what that is. Chinese washi stickers, there's tiny Chinese washi tape. I haven't heard of washi stickers. You could do like a Prince Charming across your nose. Now I am old. Folklore stickers. Okay, so folklore, dragons, academia, cottagecore, all these things are kind of intertwining together. Again, this is a spike out of nowhere. All of these are. So let's delicious in dungeon. Luggage stickers. Hey, that's that's the second time we've seen something similar to that. Now, there's an interesting one. Now, I'm surprised that that doesn't spike too much in the summer, but it seems pretty steady all year round with pretty low competition. Are you a holiday type shop? You could make fun luggage stickers, luggage tags, all things related to helping people go on holiday. Do all sorts of fun themes. Why not? PC stickers, reading stickers. So, yeah, there's a lot of um, reading bookish, all that thing. Political bumper stickers. Oh my goodness, yeah. But be careful how the trademark, copyright, satire, everything works with that. But yes, people want to shout out their political affiliation quite a lot just now, as we see here as well. Hard hat stickers, that's fun. Are you allowed to put stickers on hard hats? When I was at work, you certainly weren't, but I would have loved for that to make your hat all fun. Graduation stickers. So that generally, yeah, is in the summer. Don't know why it's speaking just now. Interesting. That was to do with the Super Bowl hockey helmet sticker. So, right, I'm reading this and I'm saying that people are decorating everything, their luggage, their computers, their laptops, but their hard hats and their hockey helmets. You're weird people. Anatomy stickers, cute car stickers. There we go. So, how to compete with all the big political bumper stickers, cute car stickers. Be careful if it's the other way around, if it's of a car that's cute, because likely that will be a trademark design or something. But cute stickers to go on your car. Yes, remember when you're okay, it's just a tiny spike. I'm just getting excited. Pam, calm down. But it does make me think when you're doing something like this, if you are selling stickers for cars, go the extra mile. Make sure they're going to stick properly to the car, they're the correct material. Put in your description and everywhere explaining why they're going to be safe for your car, because a lot of people don't think about this, but this is your job. Hey, I said in a video that I forgot to release about trends, but they were talking about galaxies and all sorts of different what the colors were going to be, and I said Northern Lights is going to pop up because it's a high sun activity thing, and I've seen the Northern Lights. I hadn't seen them at all in my life, and then in the past 6 months I've seen them 4 or 5 times, and they're beautiful. And absolutely, I can see Northern Lights. Light academia and lesbian stickers. Is that like the lesbian jewelry, or is that a little bit more naughty? Who knows? But I would say, looking at this, it's not just if you're doing stickers. Stickers looks very popular for things like bookish things, and definitely on the fantasy. Yeah, definitely the fantasy, perhaps more Japanese anime type styles could be very, very popular. Keep an eye out for the makeup type ones, I would definitely say. And yeah, it's not just for stickers. So look at the bookish trends. Look at if people are looking for nail art stickers, are they also looking for press on nails? Are they looking for makeup stamps to make things easier? Just look at how these trends can work into other trends. I think there's a lot of fun things there. I think if you're looking to expand lines or you're looking to start something, stickers isn't a bad place to go. It's kind of a fun niche that people are still loving. So you can get right into your nice, easy niche. You know, what is your niche? Dog breeds, types of books, outdoors, holidays. What's your niche? You could make stickers about it. So maybe that would be a good way in to start your foot in the door of a certain thing. Let me know what you think. That's just what I'm spotting from the trends.